Good evening, class. Today we will talk about nutrition. Nutrition in plant. What do you mean by nutrition? Nutritions are the most essential thing for us. Food provides us nutritions. Nutritions provide us energy. It helps us to repair our damaged tissues. It keeps us healthy. So, nutrition is a very important thing. Now let's talk about different kind of nutritions. Whatever food we eat, we get different kind of nutritions from that food. Like the most important nutritions that we get from foods are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals. So, first of all, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Protein, these are used for building up muscles. Fat, it is also a source of energy. Vitamin and minerals, they are important for digestions and other vital functions. So, these all are important nutrients that we get from food. Now let's talk about different kind of nutritions. Basically, there are two kind of nutritions: autotrophic nutritions and heterotropic nutritions. Autotrophic, auto means self. Nutritions, tropic means self-made. Those nutritions which are prepared by themselves, these are called autotrophic nutritions. Like the green plants, they prepare their food by themselves. Whatever the food they prepare, they get nutritions from that food. So that is called autotrophic nutritions. Understood? In autotrophic nutritions, basically green plant prepare their food. What kind of food they prepare? They prepare glucose. This glucose give the plants nutrition for growth, for fighting the disease and other things. This process of making glucose are called photosynthesis. Now, heterotropic nutritions, the second type of nutrition. What is this? Heterotropic nutritions are basically found in those plants which are non-green. Understood? They doesn't contain chlorophyll, due to which they can't prepare their food by themselves. So they are dependent on green plant like wheat, lichens, etc. Now let's talk about the process of photosynthesis. What do you mean by the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, we can easily divide the words into sentences: photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means building up. In process of photosynthesis, leaves are very important because the process of photosynthesis takes place in leaves. That's why leaves are called the food factory of plant. Green leaves contain chlorophyll, due to which this chlorophyll help in the process of photosynthesis, due to which the non-green plant does not able to do photosynthesis. Now, what are the food that are prepared by the process of photosynthesis? Basically, they prepare glucose for themselves. In addition with the glucose, oxygen is also prepared, which they release in atmosphere. What are the things that are required for the photosynthesis? First of all, sunlight. Sunlight, they get solar energy from sunlight, convert it into the chemical energy. So, sunlight is very important for the process of photosynthesis. Second, water. They absorb water from soil by the help of root, carry it to the leaves by the help of conducting fibers called xylem. Understood? These xylem carry water from the roots to the different part of the plant, especially to the leaves. Now, chlorophyll. What do you mean by the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll are a green plant pigment. They are found in the chloroplast. They help us to trap energy from sunlight. After that, we will need a carbon dioxide. Have you ever wondered? We release carbon dioxide during our respirations. What happened to that carbon dioxide? These carbon dioxide are used by the green plants to prepare their food in the process of photosynthesis. It enters through stomata. What is stomata? Stomata are small pores-like structures present in leaves. They are guarded by the epidermal cell and guard cell. These guard cells allows gases to get in and water to get out. The mechanism of photosynthesis is a very complex process. In this process, sunlight is trapped and a series of reactions take place, due to which a chemical called glucose is prepared, in which raw materials like sunlight, water, carbon dioxide are used to prepare glucose and oxygen. Oxygen is released in atmosphere, which we use during the process of respirations, and glucose is converted into starch and transported to different parts of the plants like stem, leaves. These are transported with the help of phloem. Good evening.